Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over building out and scaffolding a React app quicker with Vite.js. As always, if this video is helpful to you in any way, please like and subscribe to the channel. So Vite is a build tool that was released in 2020 that provides a better and faster development experience for web projects. So it uses hot module replacement to start dev servers faster, especially from cold, and bundle projects quicker. Vite has a bunch of different support for JavaScript and TypeScript libraries. It does vanilla JavaScript and TypeScript. It does React, which will be the one we're highlighting here. It even does things like Svelte. When you're talking about large React projects, there's a drastic difference from my experience with Vite compared to using Create React App. As your project starts to scale, your server still spins up in a really timely fashion. So in just a few commands, which we'll go through here in the command prompt in a second, we'll scaffold out that first Vite React TypeScript project. The only prerequisite to scaffolding out that Vite project is going to be Node.js with a version of 14.18 plus or 16 plus. As long as we have that installed locally, we should be good to go. So let's jump right into the. Okay, so now we have our command prompt open. I'm running the command prompt as an administrator. I don't think you necessarily need to do that in Windows, but I'm doing it just to be sure, as Vite actually creates a couple directories in order to scaffold out the project. So we're going to want to be in the directory where we want the project created. I'm going to create mine right in the root cybersecurity directory. And the first command we're going to have is straight off the Vite website. So npm create Vite at latest. And then Vite just walks us through it. So we're going to have the project name. We'll call it Cyber Superior Vite React. We'll select the framework, which in our case is React. It's going to ask us if we want TypeScript or JavaScript. We're going to choose TypeScript in this scenario, and that's it. The project's now scaffolded out. So all we have to do is cd into the directory, run npm install, and then run npm run dev, and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and cd into that directory, npm install, and it's just going to take a second here to install all the necessary dependencies, and then we're going to run npm run dev, and we'll see what happens from there. So as this installs, we'll cut away for a second and come back after the dependencies are installed. Okay, so that took about 30 seconds. Our dependencies are now installed, and then all we have to do is run this last command here, npm run dev, and that's it. Our project is now running locally. Ours is at 127.001.5173, so let's go ahead and pull that up. So I've opened up my browser, and in my case, I navigated to 127.011.5173. In a lot of cases, it'll just be localhost. But you can see here, it just scaffolds it out, gives you a nice project to build off of, gives you, the little Vite symbol, the React symbol, and we can go right into app.ts, start editing, start saving, and start building out our React Vite project. And if we open up the project, we can see everything scaffolded out just like a normal React application. I actually think it keeps it a little bit leaner, Vite does, than Create React App. So it's a little bit nicer in that way to kind of wrap your head around everything going on in the project. And now we can just come in and start ripping up the app TSX and do whatever we want, right? Start building out our real application. And you can watch as this expands and the build times remain pretty much the same, especially when the server starts cold. This is going to be the first video in a long series of building out a larger React project from this scaffolded out project. This scaffolded out repo is going to be linked in the description below. And again, as always, if this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.